how where you are on Earth, driving animals to move, how everything is connected to fight. And even to love. A ringed seal. Every week without food. But this mother and cub must be prepared to face some of the toughest conditions on the planet. Polar bears are solitary animals, and she only has until spring to prepare her cub. And opportunities are thin on the ground. Somehow, this mother will have to find enough food to see them through the dark times ahead.